Hi, my name's Brendan Kelly. I'm a property investor, author, property mentor, property market analyst, and along with John Lindeman, Director of Property Predictions. John Lindeman, a property investor, author, property educator, and property market researcher, has spent more than 15 years in professional housing market research with major data providers, including the Australian Bureau of Statistics, Residex, and Property Power Partners. At Property Predictions, we have a desire to support and educate property investors across the country. And to that end, we've written books, produced articles, conducted interviews, and produced videos to train and educate property investors across Australia. Our mission is to provide all players in the residential property investment industry with reliable, independent, and accurate predictive information about the residential property market. And we've been able to do that through creating the Property Power database. The Property Power database provides information about the current and predicted types of property markets. They range from stressed through buyer, neutral, seller, and boom markets. In addition, the Property Power database allows us to forecast the nature of the rental market relative to supply and demand trends, such that rental markets are identified as being in chronic surplus, balanced, or shortage. The database allows us also to see clearly the estimated time before change is likely, and offers a prediction accuracy rating relative to the reliability of the available statistics. And the Property Power database provides this information for houses and units in every suburb. The Property Power database covers this information for suburbs, postcodes, local government areas, regions, and cities right across the country. It tracks listings, sales, rentals, and yields. It forecasts renovation potential in suburbs, as well as estimates development potential, and predicts the vendor confidence within the suburb. The Property Power database was awarded an innovation patent in 2011 and offers a prediction accuracy of around 90% in the direction of market price movements. We offer pre-qualified predictive reports, such as the Bulletproof Suburb Report, which highlights those suburbs least likely to fall in value, or the Property Predictions Report, which offers those suburbs most likely to grow in value. These reports are designed for investors, not for analysts. They exclude current boom suburbs because it is unwise to purchase in competitive markets. They exclude suburbs with few listings, so the property investor has the time to review multiple listings and choose the property that best serves their needs. These reports also exclude suburbs with low sales activity and suburbs with hidden listings, where a hidden listing is a single real estate listing that promotes multiple dwellings, such as multi-storey apartment blocks or new house and land packages. These reports also exclude suburbs with rental oversupplies. In addition to the pre-qualified predictive reports, we also offer reports for single suburbs on demand. This report is called the Buy, Hold and Sell report. So as the name suggests, if an investor is particularly interested in one suburb and wants to know what is happening in that suburb to make a decision as to whether to buy in a market that might be climbing, or if they have a property and they're looking to make a decision as to whether they hold it or sell it, the Buy, Hold, Sell report gives them a fantastic insight into what may be happening in the market and to help them make a more informed decision. Now, all the property prediction reports contain similar tables of information, and it is the information contained in these tables that give the investor the power of insight. So let's go through that now, and we'll do so in terms of the suburb Chinchilla. Generally speaking, there are two types of markets within the suburb, one for houses and one for units. These types of markets are differentiated because they behave differently under different market conditions. So in our example for Chinchilla, we'll look at houses. The first table that's contained in this report offers the prediction around median price movement for the suburb. The table containing the name of the suburb and the postcode offers also an estimate of the current median selling price. Now, if we were to go to other data sources and look up median selling price, you would find that the selling price published is in fact a selling price that is 3 months old. Because of the time it takes for sales to be noted as actually having sold, and then the calculations done on completed data, the median selling price for a suburb is generally months old. So the Property Power database applies the statistics to an algorithm and forecasts what the median selling price may be for today. This table also highlights the number of properties that are on the market right now. A key differentiator for the property predictions reports is to identify the nature of the market the suburb is in right now. Chinchilla is currently neutral. The implication there is that median price suburbs are neither inclining or declining, but remaining approximately static. The Property Power database also predicts that the number of months before any change from a neutral market is likely to be over 12. But when it does start to move, the housing market prediction for houses will be to move into a boom market, which means median price growth is likely to be in excess of 10%. The final column in this table talks about the prediction accuracy rating. The prediction accuracy rating is a reflection of the reliability of the statistics that are available to us to measure the predictions. If the number of sales is low, the number of listings is low. If the number of vacancies is too high or even too low. If the number of rental properties in the suburb is too high. And any number of other statistics does not meet certainty, then that affects and lowers the prediction accuracy rating. But for Chinchilla, the rating is good. The second table in the report illustrates information around the rental market. It highlights the current weekly median asking rent for houses, as well as the number of properties on the market that are up for rent right now. It illustrates the percentage change in housing market rent over the last 12 months and the current rental market yield. More than that though, this table highlights the volume of rental stock on the market as an indicator of how fast properties are likely to be snapped up for rent. This table also highlights the short-term rent growth potential. The ideal outcome there is high. The third table offered in the report is a summary of the activity that's occurred within the suburb in the last 12 months. It highlights again the estimated current median selling price, as well as the percentage change in median house price over the last year. It offers the current weekly median asking rent for houses and the percentage change in house asking rent over the last year. It illustrates also the rental yield a year ago and what the rental yield is today, as a snapshot for suburb performance. So if we take a look at these three tables together, Chinchilla is currently in a neutral market and it's likely to be neutral for a little time yet. It has a lot of stock on the market for rent, so that we can expect that there would be reasonable vacancy periods without a lot of pressure on rent price. Over time though, we are looking to see an increase in the amount of buying activity within Chinchilla, a fall in the number of listings, as we head from neutral into a warmer seller and boom market. The point here is though, Chinchilla has bottomed out. There has been decline in price and rent values over the last 12 months. We are currently in a neutral market and we're on our way up. So if an investor had to receive this report at the time they were looking to buy in Chinchilla, it would be an encouraging report to receive. So as a property investor looking for a suburb to start their search in, the pre-qualified property prediction reports are ideal. As a property investor with a particular interest in a suburb, or already holding property within a suburb, the buy, hold or sell report gives the investor a snapshot as to what's happening in the market now and forecast to happen in the next 6 to 18 months. Together we are able to support property investors across this country in making better buying, holding and selling decisions. But as a member of the affiliate program for Property Predictions, there are some specific benefits that you get to enjoy. As a member of the affiliate program, you receive a unique code, a code of your choice. And that code offers you some privileges. You see, the pre-qualified predictive reports, the Bulletproof Suburb Report and Property Prediction Report, as well as the Australia's Best 30 Report, retail at $195 each. But if your code is entered on the website at the time of purchase, your client will receive a 25% discount off the retail price and save $48.75 per report. In addition, your code entitles you to receive a 25% commission of the retail price. That's $48.75 per report purchased, and that'll get paid directly into your account. The buy, hold or sell report is a similar structure. They retail at $99 each, but your client using your code receives a 25% discount off that retail price and saves $24.75. And again, you will receive 25% commission of the retail price. So that's $24.75 per report purchased. It is important to note, though, that the reports we've spoken about so far are not the entire suite of reports available. One of the reports that we offer that is not available to the retail market is the Property Power Report. The Property Power Report can be purchased for $495 and contains a top-down analysis of cities, regions and states, highlighting the 20 best suburbs, houses or units. But more than that, these suburbs are tailored to your client's buy price range, are selected for growth, rent or yield criteria, offer a snapshot of recent performance, the current type of rental and purchase market, and predicted changes in the rental and purchase markets. These reports are individually created and supported by additional desktop analysis. As an affiliate member of Property Predictions, you will also receive the Affiliate Update. It's a newsletter that comes out monthly. Where appropriate for your business objectives, your affiliation with Property Predictions allows you access to John Lindeman and Brendan Kelly as support for your business growth, your marketing and the property education of your team and your clients. For example, John Lindeman is a regular columnist of Your Investment Property magazine, providing information and insights into the housing market. Your affiliation with Property Predictions allows you the affiliation with John Lindeman. John Lindeman also has a presence on social media and can provide social media content. There's also the opportunity for free lead generation offers, the supply of a report or critical property market information that will allow you to generate leads for your business. John Lindeman and Brendan Kelly are also open to doing webinar presentations about the state of the property market and other valuable updates and insights. In addition, is the opportunity to have John Lindeman and or Brendan Kelly present at one of your events for your clients or sales staff. Through this affiliation with Property Predictions, you are able to get research reports tailored to meet your needs, enhanced publicity and PR for your business, wider social media visibility and presence, new digital marketing opportunities, expert assistance with your promotion, and 25% monthly commission on all Property Prediction Report sales. So allow me again to welcome you and thank you for being a part of the Property Predictions affiliate program. We are excited to be working with you in our joint endeavour to have property investing clients across the country make better, wiser, and more informed property investing decisions.